In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete items from Google Collections or remove saved items from Google Collections. To delete items from Google Collections, you need to open the collection where the item is saved and remove it directly. The steps are straightforward, whether you're on mobile or desktop. On your phone, open the Google app or go to Google Chrome, then tap your profile picture and select Collections. You'll see all your saved collections. Open the collection that contains the item you want to delete, then find the saved page, image, or product. Tap the three dots next to it, or press and hold the item. Then choose Remove or Delete from Collection. The item will disappear immediately. On desktop, go to Google Collections while signed in your favorite browser. Open the collection where the item is saved. Hover your cursor over the saved item, then click the three-dot menu in the corner of that item. Select Remove. If you want to delete multiple items, you'll need to remove them one by one, since Google doesn't currently support bulk deletion. If you want to delete the entire collection instead of individual items, open the collection, click the three-dot menu at the top right, and select Delete Collection. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.